In this video, I will guide you how to turn off Lebara auto-renewal. Open your web browser and visit Lebara's official website. Click on Login or My Account at the top right corner. Enter your phone number and password to log in. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one or log in through the Lebara app. Once logged in, go to Account Settings or My Plan. Find and select the plan that is currently set to auto-renew. Look for the option related to auto-renewal or renewal settings. Toggle the auto-renewal switch to off or select turn off auto-renewal. Confirm your choice if prompted. You should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that auto-renewal has been successfully turned off. Ensure that your plan status is updated correctly. If you encounter issues or can't locate auto-renewal settings, contact Lebara's customer support via phone, email, or online chat service. That's it. Now you know how to turn off Lebara auto-renewal. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.